Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get started with using WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com. Go to the URL bar, search for wordpress.com, and it's going to open up this main page right here. That's going to look like this after you have logged into your account. First, you'll need to log into your account, obviously. If you do not already have one, in the upper right corner, you can use the sign in button to get started creating an account. And after you have successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the site's dashboard where you can take a look at all the websites we have created. As you can see here, I can take a look at my websites. So guys, if you want to get started with using WordPress and creating your own website, what you're going to be using is this button right here that says add a new site. You'll want to go ahead and create a new website for yourself. So after clicking the button, you can get started proceeding through the next steps where you want to enter in your domain that you want to use. Let's say tutorial domain. We are going to enter in that as a domain we are going to use, and after entering your domain, it's going to give you a list of all the domains that you can use that are available for your website. You can see tutorial domain.blog, tutorial domain.domains, and so on. So you can select whichever you want. So continue, get your domain set up. You can use the first one for a free one. If you want to use it, you can use a free one, and after you have set up your website and open it up, it's going to look like this. So this is going to be the home page where you can get started with accessing all the sections you have for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And from here, you can get started with editing your website however you like it and however you prefer, but this is how you get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.